Hello, we'll take up another problem of a solid shaft. The statement is like this: a solid circular shaft transmits 75 kilowatt power at 200 rpm. Calculate the shaft diameter if the twist in the shaft is not to exceed 1 degree, that is in a length of 2 meters of the shaft, and the shear stress is limited to 50 Newton per millimeter square. Take the modulus of rigidity value C as 1 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per millimeter square. So I'll write down first the data. Power transmitted is 75 kilonewton at number of revolutions 200 rpm. Then theta will be 1 degree. This you have to convert in radians, that is into this you have to multiply it by pi and divided by 180, that is 0.01745 radians. Then shear stress is limited to 50 Newton per millimeter square, and modulus of rigidity value is 1 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per millimeter square. So with this data, we have to calculate what should be. This is 1 into 10 raised to 5. You have to calculate the diameters with the different conditions. So first we'll calculate the power to be transmitted or the torque whatever is developed. P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. So P is 75 kilowatts, so multiplied by 1000 for watts is equal to 2 into pi into n is 200 into T divided by 60. So with this you get the value of T as 3580.98 Newton meter. Then we'll have two values, two cases. Case 1, when the shear stress should not exceed 50 Newton per millimeter square. This is the first condition. Okay. So for that pi will be equal to, T will be equal to relation between T and tau is pi. T is equal to pi tau d cube by 16. This is for solid shaft. Okay, so T is equal to 3580.98 into 1000 for Newton millimeter is equal to pi into tau is 50 into, you have to calculate d, that is d cube divided by 16. So from this you get the value of d as 71.3 millimeter. So this is considering the case 1 where the shear stress should not exceed 50 Newton per millimeter square. Then second case, case 2, when the angle of twist should not exceed 1 degree. So this is the second this one. So with this we can have the relation to T by J is equal to C theta by L. Okay. So T is 3580.98 into 1000 divided by J, that is polar moment of inertia, is pi by 32 d raised to 4 is equal to C. C is 1 into 10 raised to 5 and theta you should write in radians, already calculated 0.01745 and divided by length of the shaft is given as 2 meters. So length is 2 meters. So that is 2000 millimeters. So from this the value of D you are getting is 80.4 millimeters. Okay. So then as suitable diameter is the greatest of these two. So therefore the suitable diameter considering both the conditions, suitable diameter D is 80.4 mm. If you provide 71.3 mm, the angle of twist may be more than 1 degree. Okay. Then if you provide the diameter as 80.4 mm, shear stress will be less than 50 Newton per millimeter square, which is required. So this you can round it to 81 millimeter. Okay. Thank you.